The following tutorial describes a new Sodexis 4 connector update setup, which brings you the most stable Sodexis to DS core connection to date with the added convenience of auto update capability. This feature ensures that your connector stays current without manual intervention, which is crucial for maintaining system stability and compatibility. Let's begin. Full screen mode allows you to focus on a single image, whether 2D or 3D, at its maximum scale and original ratio. Unlike fit to screen or maximize selected view, this is a dedicated mode that centers the image and removes distractions from other media. The toolbar remains fixed at the top and navigation between files is disabled to maintain focus. To exit, simply click the Go to Canvas button in the top left corner. Compared to normal mode, full screen mode offers a simplified view of one image at a time, zooming within the selected media only, and removes other information like the minimap. This supports focused diagnostics and can be helpful during patient consultations where clarity and simplicity are key. Canvas also introduces the ability to visualize diagnostic planes directly within the 3D render. In the 3D layout, the axial plane appears as a panoramic curve. In the MPR layout, it's shown as a square plane. As you scroll through slices in the 2D views, the corresponding planes update in real time, providing spatial orientation within the 3D volume. This overlay can be turned off at any time using the Hide Overlay icon in the toolbar. For a more structured diagnostic approach, Canvas now includes MPR layout, multiplanar reconstruction for 3D X-rays. This layout displays axial, coronal, and sagittal views alongside the 3D render. Unlike the standard 3D view, which focuses on a selected inspection window, MPR layout cuts with orthogonal angle through entire 3D X-ray, allowing for comprehensive evaluation. This supports side-by-side comparison along the midline, identification of anatomical variations and abnormalities, and supports a systematic approach to diagnose 3D X-rays. This enhancement also supports diagnostic habits in many countries, where dentists are trained to read 3D X-rays using MPR views, making it a valuable addition for 3D X-ray training and educational programs. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about Nudi's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.